What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, I got a jam-packed one for you guys, so please keep it locked. Please make sure you like, subscribe. Help this video get at least 1,000 likes, and without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Listen, family, I got gold right on deck for you guys, man. Listen, if you part of the money team, this ain't new information to you, and I want to say major salute, but ticker symbol GLD. Gold, guys, sitting at 458 at the time it's recording, but that's neither here nor there. Guys, since 300, this has been on my radar, and we have changed so many lives in terms of the returns this has brought everyday people. And sometimes, man, you need to know where to park your money and what assets for it to be in, for it to generate the type of return that you are looking for, something that's really, really beneficial. And gold has been one of those ones for me. If you have made money with gold, let me know down in the comments below, specifically ticker symbol GLD, okay? Sometimes we overlook the alternative assets, and yes, I know they're not as sexy as some of our favorite stocks, but guys, when it comes to making money, you always need to know where to look and what to be invested in, okay? Gold is one of those ones. Also, silver, ticker symbol SLV, all right? If you have made money with this, I remember I came on YouTube and I told you guys, I need you guys to do me a favor. Coach needs you to, nothing else, add silver to the fold for me. I said, keep it in your back pocket, keep it close to the hip, or keep it in your chest pocket for me. Because again, whenever there's uncertainty in the market, there are going to be particular assets that the money flows into as a safe haven. Gold is one of those ones. Silver is one of those ones. Ticker symbol CAT, Caterpillar, this past year had a phenomenal run, was probably the best performing stock in the stock market. And that's what I always say, there's a bull market somewhere all the time. So don't ever get caught up in your particular stock may be down in that moment. But just because of that doesn't mean that there's not other stocks winning and performing. Silver is one of those ones. If you made money with silver, let Coach know down below, okay? Now, this leads me to the 5 that will, if you invest in these now, they can replace your current job, okay? Bitcoin kicks that off for me. Ticker symbol BTC. Now, this currently sitting at $90 at the $90,000 at the time of this recording. And I always say 90,000 and below. So if you got 90,000, 89,000, 85,000, 75,000, if you guys see any of those numbers, you need to be rubbing your hands together like this, because that just simply means this is the buy zone. I don't ever say a particular price. I'm talking about a zone, like 55,000 to 90,000. It's a zone. Within that zone, as long as you're buying, you're going to reap the benefit. You're going to be able to replace your job because of the massive gains you would get depending on how much you invest in this asset when it goes to 150,000, 200,000, and where it's going to ultimately end up. And if you guys see the type of run gold can go on and silver can go on, what do you think Bitcoin can do when it has way more fanfare and way more enthusiasts in it than gold and silver do? Okay, keep those little nuggets in mind. Bitcoin is one I don't want you to sleep on. I want you to have this. And listen, you go through expansion and contraction periods. Do not get lured to sleep because Bitcoin ain't took off again yet, because guess what, it will. And I want you to be along for the ride and not get left at the station. What else Coach got for you? Sofi, ticker symbol SOFI, sitting at $25. If you've been with me since $7 in this, you already know we have quadrupled in this particular play, changed many of your lives. This went from $4 to $30. Coach start getting it and putting it on everybody's radar at 7, telling you guys this was going to 14, 20, and then it went even higher and went to $30, okay? Now, under $30, sitting in the $20 range, you have to be licking your chops again. That's one of those ones that can change your life. Because why? I often say this next generation, the world is about who's up next. The next generation is not going to be at Wells Fargo and Bank of America. They are going to be banking with the likes of SoFi, with the likes of Chime, with the likes of all of these online type of cool, fun brokers and banks. That's where it's going to be. And I'm so convinced of that. I'm so convicted about that. If we can get this under $20 and this becomes the new JP Morgan, and this is one day $50 or $60, that's already a double up right there. But you know it ain't gonna just stop right there. Hitting $100 is not out the realm of possibility over the next 5 or 10 years, especially if they keep producing and keep putting up numbers the way they do quarter in and quarter out. So guys, please have SoFi on deck for me as you guys are building out your 5 investments that can replace your current job if you invest right now, okay? Meta, all right, ticker symbol META, currently sitting at 661. Man, this is kind of like Bitcoin in a sense of this has been hibernating. It went from $60 to $600. Guys, people have changed their life. But listen, when you run that far and you have ran that long, you have to catch your breath. And that's all I look at this as doing, is hibernating, consolidating, contracting, waiting to expand, waiting to take off again. That's what I see happening with this. And guess what? When it take off, Coach has a $1,000 price target on this. So as I say, for everything else, these are the zones you want to get it in: 600, 500, and 400. If you see a $600 handle, a $400 handle, or a $300 handle, these are the areas you want to buy these, not 300, 400, 500, and 600, knowing that this is going to 1,000, and it wouldn't surprise me if it go far beyond, kind of like Netflix did, okay? But again, while it's hibernating, you know bears can't stay hibernating forever. After they come out of hibernating, they come on the hunt. They are ready to go get it. And this is what Meta will do. And I even feel like I see a double bottom forming here that again, are signs that if not now, soon, this is going to take off and claim its rightful place. Google, ticker symbol GOOGL, sitting at 328. I am so happy about this one. Now, this one might be the best of all. Definitely was one of the top from last year and might continue that into this year. But I remember I had Google at $90 and it would never move. And I just couldn't believe, like, man, they have YouTube, they have Google, they have Gemini, they have so much stuff. Why is Wall Street hating? And finally, the Wall Street individuals, the hedge funds, the institutional money has finally came to their senses, and this has came to its rightful place. And I couldn't be more happy because I'm a heavy, huge investor in Google. Why? I'm on YouTube, okay? I'm one of the people that was able to benefit from YouTube, and so I invest in the things that I use. And so I have a huge investment in YouTube just off that alone. And with that being said, to see it up here at $300 range, it's only going to go higher from here. But on any pullbacks, any dips, that's your time to shine. That's your time to get in and make it do what it do. Do not sleep on Google, guys. Ticker symbol GOOGL. And then Amazon, you know what I'm saying, sitting at $239. Ticker symbol AMZN, similar to Google. This one used to be stuck at the same price for years, and I couldn't understand why. You got Amazon, you got 2-day delivery, you got AWS, you got Amazon Prime, you got Whole Foods, and I used to just see this stock get bogged down and never move, similar to Google. But when it did, Amazon went crazy. And as I see and say all the time, when I see expansion, then I see contraction. It's only a matter of time before we expand again. Does that make sense? And so with this, you know what I'm saying, finally waking up, anytime you see any pullbacks or anything of that nature, you do this for me, because that's your opportunity to accumulate a quality asset, AKA a quality company, AKA a quality business that's going to do wonders for you, okay? And so these are just a handful Coach wanted on your radar. moving forward as we kick off 2026, because if you know what to be invested in, that is the greatest way that you can change your financial trajectory, okay? And so, Coach just wanted to put these on your radar. Listen, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, but if you consider the journey, do me a favor. Don't forget, like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stocks using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.